Hey, my friends, I'm so glad you're here, and I'm glad to be back. It's definitely beautiful here, and I love living in this house. But oh my gosh, it's starting to be so much work. My riding lawnmower's broke. My push mower's not acting right. I feel bad. I'm starting to have to depend on others to come help me out. And it doesn't help that we've had so much rain. The yard started looking like a jungle. So, for part of my Mother's Day gift, my son and my little grandson came over and mowed the yard for me. Yay, to the rescue! And this was a real blessing because the yard was beginning to be very embarrassing. For Mother's Day, I also got beautiful flowers from my daughter. Oh, they smell so good. I also got a Tahitian coconut candle, a 24-pack of Dr. Pepper. Do my kids know me or what? And one of my sons paid my cell phone for me. They did some really unique things to show me they love me and to help their mama out. I love you, kids. Here's a few snapshots of my kids from oldest to youngest. Well, finally got the yard mowed. Now I'm trying to dig up whatever the heck these are. These weeds were so wiry, the big riding mower almost wouldn't go over them. So I'm digging them up the old-fashioned way. Oh, Maverick. Oh, baby. Oh, you're so close to the camera. Oh, you're such a sweet boy. Yes, you are. Such a sweet boy. It's mangy. I gave him a bath. He's shedding out that winter coat. He's half dry right now, so he looks crazy. These are my wild buttercups. They're not bloomed right now. They bloom out in the morning. I look out the dining room window in the morning when I'm having coffee. It's so pretty out here in this corner. Foot deep. I hope that's not an ant bed. Did have a big problem with ants. And they're back. Holy crap. I've done everything I know to do. I think I might be safe over here. Here I go. Gonna poke at it. The heck is that? Wheat. I guess it's not ants. I would have already seen them running. Oh, thank goodness. Oh, there's more. I don't know how these piles piled up. It could be the groundhogs or moles. I had a mole. Maybe that's what this is, but that's an awful big hole, right? Or not hole, but mound of dirt. Ah, afraid of what's going to be in there. Huh. It's the first time I've ever got a creepy feeling. Oh, it is. Look. I don't know how well they're showing up, but there's a lot of ants there. Tiny ants. Anybody have any advice? Maybe I'll just leave them alone. As long as they stay on this side of the fence. Or their own side of the fence. What you think, Maverick? You think I should leave them alone? Yep. Yep. He always wants to see what I'm doing. You can lie down, buddy. I'm going to stay right here for a while. I'm going to stay right here for a while. You're okay. I'm okay. You can go lay down. All right. Back to the weeds. He's shedding too. He's so sleepy. I just fed them. They've got their bellies full. Gave Striker a bath. Brushed Maverick. This is the shampoo that I've been using on them for a couple years. It's good. Oh, it was running low, so I grabbed the Pantene. But this right here smells so good. I would almost use it on my own hair. But it's the shed control. And the bathtub. He's so sleepy, but he won't stop following me around. Okay, buddy, lay down. For those of you that are new here, I'm glad you're here. My name's Lori, and thank you for enjoying a little bit of evening shade with me. For all of you that have been here, thanks for hanging out with me again. Please leave a comment so I know you were here. And sorry that I haven't put up the video about my brother yet, but he just had a grandson born last week and he's been kind of busy. But I will get to that video, I promise.